Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look is going to be a dramatic sunset type eye makeup look. So this look is inspired by a makeup artist on Instagram called Makeup by Ellie, and I just really wanted to do this look because it's quite like a dramatic eye makeup look. It's got like all the colors, you know, it's a really flattering look I think as well. So I hope you enjoy this video and I'd love to know your thoughts on it. So please do make sure to subscribe and like this video if you liked it. And thanks for watching. Alright, so now that I've done my base makeup, I'm just going to start on my eye makeup. And I'm just going to prime my lids with the Urban Decay Shadow Potion. To get started, I'm going to use the Electric Obsessions palette from Huda Beauty. So I'm going to use a fluffy eye brush and then a brush to pack on the product as well. But to start off, I'm going to be using the yellow shade in this palette with the fluffy side of this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. And I'm just going to apply this throughout my crease. I'm going to go quite high up with this powder as well. I want to like blend that all the way out, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply the orange shade in this palette with the same side of the brush. So I'm just going to apply this like closer throughout the crease and not blend it out as high. And I'm just going to blend these together a bit more as well. So I've just cleared the brush a bit so it doesn't have any powder on it. I'm going to blend the orange into the yellow. So I'm just going to blend a little bit more yellow into the orange just so it's a little bit more yellowy. So I needed to apply like a blue eyeshadow to my base, but I don't actually have like a matte blue eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using the NYX Vivid Brights liquid liner, and I'm just going to kind of create a shadow out of this and blend it in with a brush. And this is in the shade Vivid Sapphire. So I'm just going basically to like line my lid with it and then blend upwards before it dries. So I'll just be using like a little detailing brush for that. So I'm going to go back into this palette and use the pink shadow with the shading brush, and I'm just going to kind of blend this between the orange and the blue. So I'm just going to blend these shadows a little bit more together with the fluffy side of this brush as well. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go back in with the pink shadow and the orange and kind of mix them a little bit together and apply this on my lower lash line. And I'm just gonna like blend these together as well. So now I'm just going to apply a black pencil eyeliner in my waterline. For this, I'll be using the Smoulder Kohl eyeliner from Soap and Glory. So now that I've done that, I'm going to apply some fake lashes and then apply some gel liner to my top lids as well. Alright, so now that my lashes are on, I'm going to curl them together and apply mascara just before I apply the gel eyeliner on top. So for this, I'm just going to apply the Essence False Lashes Mascara, which I use all the time. Yeah, so I'm just going to focus on the base of my lashes with this, and then I'm going to apply it to my bottom lashes as well. Cool, so now that I've done that, I'm going to apply some gel liner to my top lids, and I'm just going to make the line quite thin for this. And I'm just going to be using a MAC 210 brush, which is a very thin eyelining brush, and the MAC Blacktrack Fluidline, which is a gel liner. So now I'm almost done with my eye makeup, but next I just have to apply a bit more product into my brows to kind of fill them in a little bit more, just because they do have a bit of powder on them from my powder foundation. I'm going to use this Thin Lizzy Brow Ready Eyebrow Filler product. It's basically like a powder in a tube form, and it kind of just helps fill in your brows a little bit more. And I'm just going to lightly apply this throughout my arch of my brows. So now that I've put that on, I'm going to apply some clear brow gel just to help set my brows as well. And for this, I'm going to be using the Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. So I use this like all the time. So I'm just going to lightly apply this and like focus on like the middle of my brows, like this, the beginning to middle. So next I'm going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and on my brow bone as well. And I'm just going to use the same highlighter that I used on my cheeks. And I'm going to be using this little kind of shading brush to apply the product. So now to finish off the rest of the look, I'm just going to apply some lip liner and lipstick. And for lip liner, I'm going to use the Mellow Lip Liner in the shade Rose. So for lipstick, I'm going to use the Thin Lizzy Velvet Lip Cream. So it looks like this. So you've got like a little applicator like that. And I'm just going to apply it with a lip brush. Overall, I love this look, and I'm just going to set it with some makeup setting spray as well. So for setting spray, I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, which is like perfect for making sure your makeup lasts all night. So So that's basically my finished look, and I hope you enjoyed it. It's quite like a dramatic makeup look, and I actually think I love this look the most out of all of the other ones that I've created so far. I love like the whole sunset eye makeup look, and I've always wanted to do one, but I think I need more colorful eyeshadow palettes, even though I probably don't need any more eyeshadows. I did find it quite hard to blend that liquid into a shadow, so I wish I did have like a matte blue shadow to create this look. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you did like it, please do give it a like. I really do appreciate the support you guys give me, and yeah, please do subscribe as well if you're interested in keeping up to date with my next video that I'm going to come up with as well. And I'll see you next time.